Hi Aquarius, this is your monthly reading for the month of May. I'm going to look at your energies at this time, what's coming for the sun sign of Aquarius and the ascendant sign of Aquarius. You can also watch this. So, in your environment, there is Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups environment can mean that there is definitely a possibility in the month of May to get a fulfillment of your wishes, or something will work out for you which will be making you very happy. So what you are wishing for, concentrate on your mind, what you really want or need. It's coming to you in this time period, and you can feel this individual liberation for you in the coming weeks or the month of May. So what was happening was Eight of Swords. You could be stuck with a situation where you are self-doubting your energy, or you could be fearful of the circumstances or the results. But this could be in studies, this could be in your work situation or your relationship. Whatever you are expecting, you are in a way not so optimistic. You could be too much in your mind, and mind is bothering you. And with the blindfold in this card, this is telling me that you are not seeing the proper reality in this time period. So I clarified the Nine of Cups, and I got Nine of Cups once again with the Six of Swords. So whatever may be keeping you stuck, this could be a fear of some kind. Nine of Cups is definitely coming. So Nine of Cups and Nine of Cups. So it is definitely coming. You are going to move on from the stuck situation. You will find a way. Universe will provide you with the safe passage, and you are going to move on from this self-doubt or fearful energy, whatever may be troubling you, the depression that you are feeling. So Nine of Cups means things will work out for you in this month. So whatever may be troubling you, you are going to be out of that. So there is a Queen of Cups energy around you. So the Queen of Cups is in the reverse position. So this could be an emotional situation. Something is making you too emotional, or there is a Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer around you, a drama queen. So there is a whether this person has these energies, or a general person who has become a drama queen around you. So there is someone who is behaving in a manipulative way. So this manipulation will continue for some time, but you can expect a situation to change for you. Whatever you have worked for, whatever you have done so far in the past, the results will be good for you. So in this time period, a definite ending is destined. So an ending of some kind with a Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer is predicted, or any other sign. This could be a Leo, this could be any Libra or anyone. So there is or a Scorpio. So someone in your life is going to make a change, or you will make a change forever, and that change is going to take place. So a transformation will happen in your life, whether you were chasing something, whether you were thinking about something, whether you were obsessed about something. It is going to change, and this transformation is fated. So with the Wheel of Fortune, there will be a lucky chance coming to you with this big change, which was pretty painful for you. So you are going to show your bravery, courage and compassion in this time period with the Strength card. So the Strength card here is telling me, whether it is your health, whether it is your relationship, whether it is your work or family business or anything, or a relationship in family or love relationship, you are going to be stoic, you are going to be patient, you are going to show your bravery and courage. You could be speaking out, you could be finding your voice, you could be telling other people, calling them out, whatever it is. You are going to take yourself out of this. And with the Star energy, with the Strength card, things will not move very fast, but they are going to move towards a situation that is optimistic for you, hopeful for you. With a Page of Wands, a good news can come to you, or an enthusiastic news is coming, and that is going to provide you with the Ace of Cups. So Ace of Cups is feeling once again very good, better in your life, and this is going to provide you with pure spontaneous happiness or feelings which were in disarray, or emotions that were in disarray is going to come in some kind of semblance. So with the King of Swords, you got to think like a King of Swords. This is your energy, Aquarius. You got to consolidate your environment. Do not think emotionally. If you were getting emotionally overpowered by someone or your own mind, this is the time to think intellectually, because you are an intellectual. You are a person who is an air sign. You think with your mind, you think with your knowledge, you think with your data. What is the pattern? You think with that. So evidence based or logic based person, you are a logic based person. So with this mind, you are going to move forward in the month of May, and things are going to get into a renewal. If you want to establish contact with someone, there is going to be renewal in the relationship. If you are looking for a new job, if you are looking for some kind of upgrade in your life, in your promotion or in your transfer, whatever may be, or your business contact, you are going to associate with a new person, or you are going to see a renewal. There is a journey on the cards in the month of May with the Knight of Wands. So moving with a purpose, the King of Swords will move with a purpose like a Knight of Wands. So basically, do not remain attached or fixated on things, because life is going to bring you another purpose and you are going to move towards that. Or you are dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in this time period, and things will move towards a perfect direction for you. So let's see your work situation, your 10th house energy. So many cards here. So with the 4 of Cups and 5 of Wands, you could be dealing with competition, you could be dealing with disagreements, you could be feeling almost bored or apathetic regarding what you are doing. You have been accumulating, you have been doing a lot of work, getting a lot of experience, but things are not moving in the direction you want them to move. And you are feeling somehow, kind of giving up energy. So what angels are asking you to do to feel stable, you got to be in 4 of Swords. Take some break, take some downtime, take some time to think and proactively think about situations. Do not be in this 4 of Cups once again, because this will make you disbelieve the offers that could be coming to you miraculously. Do not get your mind to that level. You got to take yourself out, take a break from continuous chasing energy and move to a break of some kind. With the Queen of Pentacles, you will be very stable. Your direction towards your work will be very good. You are nurturing, caring towards your job, money, career and finance. With the 6 of Wands and the star energy, things will look up for you. You will get a short-term victory, or overcoming of circumstances is written in the tarot. So you are getting these cards, you are getting this star card and the 6 of Wands card. Star card also means Aquarius sometimes, so star card has come twice for you. So this is hopeful energy. You move into that quickly, and if you have earth in your chart, you will be very stable. If you have fire in your chart, you will be overcoming your situation and getting out of sticky situations, getting out of down, feeling down situations in your career or job. If something had upset you, that is going to be overcome, because there will be 6 of Pentacles. There will be compensation coming to you, so you will be compensated for sorrow in your career. So there is going to be compensation, reciprocation, exchange of energies, exchange of material, money, or bonus coming to you, which will be prosperous indications in your career, money, job, finance. There could be enhancement in your position. There could be possibility of learning, or there could be possibility of getting a training for a new thing, or enhancement or a promise of a new thing. in your material circumstances. So if you are feeling this lack with the Five of Pentacles, things are going to move to the direction of Six of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. News will come to you which will uplift you in this time period in the month of May. So something is going to fizzle out which was not good for you, and something good is coming to you definitely with a promise. In terms of your love life, what is or your close relationships, what is happening? So relationships can mean close relationships with children, parents, in-laws, lovers, or spouse. So what could be coming to you? Could be a good friend. So what could be coming to you? So there has been an ending, a karmic ending, backstabbing energy, people unhappy with you, you unhappy with them. Something for a long time you have taken. This could be deceit of someone. So Seven of Swords could be your energy or someone else's energy, but Ten of Swords is definitely your energy. So there is a possibility that because of deceit of someone, someone who betrays you, someone who tries to shortchange you, that kind of thing has been happening repeatedly, and there has been an ending in your life, karmic ending. But in this time period, either you will strategize or be tactical about how to deal with this situation. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, someone who comes back to you, someone who comes back to you with apologies, someone who comes back to you with good news or happiness or youthful energies. So now what you are going to do is to slink out of such energies, make yourself safe, and you will see how your emotional situation changes. Someone could be playing fake, someone could be a fake person, and they always try to shortchange you. So with the Ace of Cups, a new kind of feeling, a new perspective, a new betterment, or a feeling of being self-sufficient, or feeling of drawing upon your own purity, your own innocence, or your happiness, you will become very tactical in this time period. And with the Eight of Wands, you will see Cupid's arrows flowing towards you, or someone trying to get back with you, someone coming back with apologies. Whatever it is, Aquarius, you got to be smarter. You got to be smarter, because something has ended in your life, and that has to be heeded. It has gone away from you, or it has slipped out of your hand, or it has been a proper ending with someone. This was destined. So the Death and the Fortune card has come for you. Things will improve, however, but something has ended and snapped in this time period. So in terms of your health, Temperance is coming. So this means that if you try to balance your mind, body and spirit, and if you have been working hard on your health, you will come back to health. That is what it is saying. So have patience. If you are not reaching that level, you will reach that level in the month of May. You will feel totally healed in this time period, and you will feel better. So your outcome, Aquarius, is the Empress. So your energy is in this Empress position. So this is about having the proper energies of love, abundance, appreciation of beauty, and attracting beauty, appreciation, or abundance towards you. It is also an advantageous energy. This energy will give you a growth. A growth is coming to you. You could be, however, very very fast in escaping, very fast in swishing your sword, very fast in taking decisions in this time period. So Knight of Swords energy is coming to you with the Empress. So basically you will have this nurturing, caring attitude towards things, towards yourself, and you will be attracting abundance in this time period, and beauty and nature. So you'll be in good hands. So you will come out of isolation. You will come out of being conservative, or being fearful of leaving something or losing something, that is going to go away, because you will get time to take some time out and put your mind on your wise counsel, and you will be counseled to take decisions with your intellectual mind, your logic, and not with the emotions that are overpowering you at this moment. So, Lenormand has given you the card number 32, that is the moon card. So, realizable dreams are possible, revelations or premonitions will be coming to you. When judging someone you have met, follow your intuition. Happy month, definitely. Romantic love can come to you. Love affair at the beginning. A spiritual agreement based on association of values and projects. Short trip with the person you love can take place. In the name of love, you went on a long trip or accepted a transfer that has changed your life. Presently, harmonious and romantic union founded upon association of views but still in the building phase. Surprise revelations can occur with a person unexpectedly. Small mishaps can also happen due to a widowed or separated person with whom you could be establishing contact. Result is long and peaceful life. If you are already committed to someone, beautiful children, perfect relationship, and tender and protective partner will be around you. In terms of your work, you are working hard to realize your dreams, but the road is long and uphill. Good team relationship for a common finishing ground, common finishing line is possible. All competition, all complaints will vanish in this time period. Unexpectedly, work contracts with people from abroad. Surprise invitations and trip proposals can come to you. You could be given a placement abroad if you are not already abroad, because Aquarius, many of you would be abroad. Result is dreams will be realized, artistic career will flourish, an employee or collaborator will be of great help to you in this month of May. Money wise, romantic and little gypsy kind of living has not given you so much control on your money. But if you are a person who is all the time controlling your money or keep your money in safe hands, things will be all right. So there could be symbolic and meaningful gifts or compensations coming to you, or a win or a lottery. uh, if you follow your intuition well, you will get good business numbers, good work situation, and you will be succeeding in closing good advantageous deals. So this is what I have for you, Aquarius. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. Decide and then write to me through the email ID, and keep watching this Space Tarot Priestess 1313. I will bring you more readings. Bye bye.